The Defense Research and Development Organization on Friday conducted the second consecutive successful test of the new variant of the Akash surface-to-air missile new generation. While the test on Friday was conducted with a radio frequency seeker, which is a target tracker system, the 2 days ago was conducted without it, said DRDO officials. The test on Friday morning, which was carried out at 11:45 am from the integrated test range in Chandipur of the Odisha coast, was carried out against a high-speed unmanned aerial target which was successfully intercepted by the missile. The flight test validated the functioning of the complete weapon system consisting of the missile with indigenously developed radio frequency seeker, launcher, multifunction radar and command, control and communication system. The test was carried out amid inclement weather conditions, proving the all-weather capability of the weapon system, the DRDO has said. The test on Wednesday, which was also conducted from the ITR, was done without an RF seeker and met the mission's targets with precision. Akash is primarily a short-range surface-to-air missile system designed and developed by the DRDO for use by armed forces for the protection of vulnerable areas and vulnerable points from adversary air attacks. The weapon system can simultaneously engage multiple targets in group mode and can also function in autonomous mode. It has built-in electronic counter-to-countermeasure features, which means that it has mechanisms on board that can counter the electronic system that deceive the detection systems. The Akash missile system has been integrated and is operational with both the Indian Air Force as well as Indian Army. The Akash new generation that has various new features is set to enhance the air defense capabilities of the Indian Air Force. DRDO scientists said that the missile system has a range of close to 60 km and can travel at 2.5 times the speed of sound.